Today is day 10 of my hour Go Live challenge. I feel like it's our challenge. Today, I want to talk to you about a business journey. It's a general business journey. It's not meant for specific advice, but it's just general information on what your first year might look like in business. So I'm going to tell it as a story. So I have an idea. I'm going to start a business, and my business is going to be a googly eye puppet master. Whoop. Yeah. Okay. So I'm a googly eye puppet master. Anyways, so I'm selling instructional videos is what I'm doing. And I've decided this is a great idea, and I'm definitely going to go for it. But what structure am I going to use? Do I incorporate? Do I not incorporate? I'm going to not incorporate because who knows what's going to happen. It's not really that risky to be a puppet instructor. And right now it's not worth it. Corporation is overly complicated. Okay, so I'm going to be a sole proprietor. Am I going to use my name? Is it going to be Caitlin Kirk? No, it's going to be Puppet Masters are good. Not my best work. Maybe I'll change that name later. But anyway, so I'm not using my name. I have to register my name, my business name, with the government of Ontario because I live in Ontario. So I got to make sure to do that. And then now that I have a name, I can go to the bank and I can say, cool, I need 2 business bank accounts, please. And I'm going to use one of them for my day-to-day in and out. And one of them I'm going to put money in for taxes later because I don't want to have to like sell my car or something to pay taxes. So, okay, so now I got my 2 bank accounts and I've asked the bank for a credit card and they've said, sure, it's going to be a low limit because you are unproven with your business, but we'll give one to you. And I'm like, great. Okay, so now I have a bank account to move money in and out of, and I have a credit card to spend money with. Cool. Now I need a way to record these transactions. So I need something that's going to have it all in one place. Preferably it would like pull my bank transactions in for me so I don't have to enter that manually. And I would like for it to be easy to use because I don't really know how to do any of that stuff. Okay, so I've looked around and I've decided to use QuickBooks as my accounting software. Cool. I bought it. I got it set up. Good to go. Now I gotta like invoice people. All right, so I'm gonna build that into QuickBooks. QuickBooks is gonna invoice for me. And now I'm invoicing people, but it takes money to make money. So I'm gonna have to go and spend money on something. Okay, I bought my first one of these thingies. Now I have a receipt. What am I going to do with that receipt? I know that QuickBooks has a like receipt manager thing, so maybe I'll try that out. But if it doesn't work, I'll just use like my Google Drive or like OneDrive or something. Because as long as I have a digital copy of it, the CRA will take that. So that's good. Cool. So now I'm like 6 months in, and these puppets are just going great, and everybody loves them. And look how cute they are. And I've now made $29,000. I'm like, oh boy, I'm getting real close to that $30,000 mark. I guess I better register for sales tax. Okay, great. So I go onto the CRA's online website and I'm like, how do I do this? And I come across, I need to register a business number. And so I register my puppets are cool. What did I name it? Anyways, the name I registered with the government, I register with the CRA, and I get myself a business number and a GST number. I'm like, cool. Now I can start collecting GST from people, and I can start recording all the GST and the HST that I'm paying out on my expenses. That sounds like a lot of work, but turns out QuickBooks handles that for me. Yes, not that big a deal. All right, so I'm going along, and now I've got my sales tax sorted out, and I'm happy about that. And oh man, I need to hire another puppet master because things are going so well. All right, cool. So I hire a puppet master. I like write out an employment agreement, and she's like, yeah, that's good. I agree to that. I'm like, great, you're hired. So then I have to go and get a payroll number because I'm gonna have to remit taxes and stuff on my new puppet master's behalf. So I go back to the CRA and I register my payroll number, which is the same first 9 digits as my GST number. It's my business number. And now I have a payroll number. Now I can start doing payroll. And my first check happens and I submit my PD 7A to the CRA and I remit my remittances and I'm like, yes, this is going great. I got a new puppet master and it's the 2 of us and we're cruising along and things are good. And now we've come to the end of the year and I have to pay income taxes, which, you know, pros and cons to that. But because I'm sole proprietor and I didn't incorporate, my business taxes go on my personal taxes and everything is a lot easier. I've also been doing my bookkeeping the whole year. Yes, I'm so glad past Kate did the bookkeeping because now I don't have to spend a ton of time doing it all at once. And so all my stuff is ready to go, and if I'm feeling super confident, I'm gonna maybe try and do my own taxes, but then if I run into trouble, I can definitely find an accountant that I can just hand all my stuff to, and they'll help me out. And I did it! I did a whole year in business, and things are looking great. So that is my story that I have for you about puppets and this cool thing. First year in business. I have talked to a lot of small business owners in their first year, in their years afterwards, and all of the steps that I walked you through they sound simple because I went through them really, really fast, but the details of them can definitely be more complicated. So I have put together a little PDF here. This is a hard copy, but I have a PDF version. It's the 7 accounting mistakes small business owners make and quick fixes to stay out of trouble. If you are interested to learn more about this, I will put the link in the description, comments. You'll find it, and you can get your free copy. I will see you tomorrow.